Hey girl, hey, thanks for coming to check out today's video. So today's video is on 3 new wigs that I did find on Amazon, and I'm super excited to try them out with you guys. I don't know how they're gonna look. I don't know what we should call this series. This is gonna be like a series of me buying wigs and trying them out with you guys. I don't know what it's gonna look like or how these vendors are. They're just some wigs that I saw, was interested in, and wanted to try. So let's go ahead and do this wig try on together. And make sure you subscribe. I forgot to mention we're on the road to 100,000 subscribers. Right now I believe we have about 88,000. So definitely give this video a thumbs up, a like, and a share. It super helps me out in this crazy YouTube algorithm. This one is from Annie Soul, and this is their copper curly unit. To me, this isn't necessarily giving copper.
That's suspicious.
But it's definitely a pretty shade. It's orange to me. Definitely has a skin top at the top, so that's nice. It gives that skin illusion, so you don't have to worry about it looking really weird at the top.
That's weird.
This construction has 2 combs, one at the nape has 2 combs at the ear tab, 1 comb at the front of your head, no comb at the back, and adjustable straps. So I'm just gonna adjust the straps so that they are together. I'm just gonna put the straps together like so. All right, so we're just gonna slip this part at the back. We're going to use the comb at the front right here. And we're going to use the comb on the side. So if you have a medium regular sized head, this wig will fit you great. All right, so this is what the wig is giving, okay? Why do I feel like there's shorter curls on this side than this side? Because she has the layers at the top. It's something about this shape I'm not crazy about. Straight out the box. So you already know me. I will go in with my scissors and get the shape that I think this wig is trying to achieve. Love this cut now, okay? So do you see the difference between the cut side and the uncut side? Very heavy, thick down here, indentation, wrong lengths, wrong layers, nothing framing the face, and just too much bulk around the face. Now, this side is giving us light, fluffy, airy, bouncy hair. Still has a good amount of length, but just much lighter and flowing curls. I'm gonna do this side off camera, and then I'm gonna come back and we will try the next wig. Next one is in color T3327. This one is from Vittorish, and this one is a 12-inch afro curly wig. And she is yeller, okay? Oh, yeller. This wig does not have any topper or anything like that. It just has your normal closure. You're not gonna see any lace or any top part like that. So the construction of this one, you have combs at the ear tabs, and nowhere else do you have combs, but you do have adjustable straps. So we're gonna go ahead and adjust those. I do kind of wish it had a comb somewhere else as well, just for that extra level of security. So again, I'm gonna hook the adjustable straps together. No combs anywhere else, you guys. I'm gonna shake her out. These wigs are best, just shake them before you put them on.
Did I just make a huge mistake?
All right, immediately putting it on. It feels actually really good on. The combs are pretty small, but I guess they'll be secure. All right, so we have fluffed the curls out, but we want to kind of position them down so we can figure out what we need to curl now. But we don't want these indentations in our wig. So we're just gonna run our fingers, pull down. Open your fingers, pull down. Open, close, pull. Open, pull. We wanna get these curls as extended as possible. We wanna get them fluffed. I like where this is at. It's a lot of hair, you guys. This is a lot of hair. This is for the bold, okay? Let's go ahead and jump into cutting it. Now these bang pieces in the front, you wanna cut going down. Okay, this shape is working a little better for me because it's a little back from my face. So I still have like a little more of my face able to be seen. So you definitely want to frame it in that way, okay? I think this wig is a stunner. It's very, very pretty. Let me turn around. It's very, very pretty, but I think this color is a little too much for this wig. What do you guys think? What do you think?
I like it.
You like it?
Yeah.
Wow. Okay, my husband said he likes it. All right, you guys, I do like it. I think maybe I do like it. I like the shape of it. I like how easy it is to style. This was so much easier than the other one. And yeah, I took a chance on the color. My husband likes it. I like it. Let's try the next one. And this next one, remember I told you we were going from craziest color to normalist color. Normalist is not a word. Don't clock me. All right, again, same cap construction. No lace at the top, no fake scalp at the top. Comb on either side of the ear tab, no comb at the top. Adjustable straps at the back, and we are just going to latch these adjustable straps into one another. Latch these adjustable straps into one another. And then we are going to put our wig on. That is finally a 1B. We finally got to a 1B, y'all. Put this comb in. All right, we'll just use our fingers as usual. Best wide tooth comb we own. I feel like this hair is very silky. I really want to make sure all these curls are finger combed out. I think that's gonna give us the best look. Now I have the combs of this wig in, but as you can see, the wig is moving. The more I'm finger combing it, the wig is moving. So I would not say that these combs are secure. This haircut is not giving me what I want. So I would just trim this off. It's like this. I don't really care what the cut is supposed to be. So for me, I go in and do this. So far, this wig is the easiest wig. I feel like this wig is the easiest wig. This wig is the wig that I like the most, straight out the pack. You don't have to do much, okay? I love a curly bang wig because you don't have to worry about lace. You don't have to worry about your hair underneath. You don't need perfect braids. You could throw your hair in a low bun and still rock this. I love a curly wig with a bang. It's just easy, and the longer you have the wig, the older the wig gets, the better it looks. This is the winner. This is the winner, okay? $14.35 with a 5% coupon. Sis is that girl. She's eating these wigs up. So make sure you guys come back for more. This is about to be a series. I don't know what we're gonna call this series, but we're gonna call it something because I'm showing y'all these $14 wigs that are eating.